Hey, welcome back to the channel. I got another install video for you today. I'm really excited to do this one. I just got these new parts in the mail this morning. Shout out to Battle Aero for getting these out to me so quick. If you're familiar with Battle Aero, you probably know what's in this box behind me, but let's get straight into it and start unboxing these boxes.
Astro made a fucking hit.
Alright, now for the most important piece. Ooh. This thing is huge. Damn. Wow. I don't even know what to say. This thing is crazy. It's so big. So as you can now tell, I got a big chassis mount wing, full carbon. Let's get things going. So right now I'm headed over to the body shop. I'm gonna have them cut out the holes on the bumper for me. I was originally gonna do it myself, but I was looking at Harbor Freight and they didn't have the body saw, and if I order one online, I'm not gonna get it done because I need to get it done today so I can have everything ready for Sunday. Got the crash bar right behind me. I'm gonna see if they'll let me install the crash bar while they cut out the bumper so I can get things moving. Hopefully everything is smooth sailing from here on out. Alright, so I got the new crash bar on. He's cutting out the slits for the braces right now. Then we just got to throw the bumper back on.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
All right, I just got home. The back is all done. Finished all this up. It's nice. Now we just got to put the deck on. All right, so I finished installing it. It looks crazy right now. It looks great. So here's the reveal.